Incorrect.
Me tell us you have that.
I wet the jungle, dunga, bunga, dunga, one. Blaze done. I'm at the place, you know. I'm the best comedy.
Welcome to another episode of Mr. Blaze Challenge Quiz. Today's teams, we have Spalding's Primary and Alberton Primary. Let's get right into the introduction. Teams, go ahead and introduce yourself, starting with Spalding's High.
My name is Rakdem. I'm from Trelawney. In the future, I like to become Superman.
Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Blaze Dan. I come from Trelawney, and in the future, I would like to become Spider-Man.
Hello viewers, my name is Pumpkin Belly, and in the future I'd like to become a thief. Thank you.
Evening. Medium rice bag, yeah. In the future, would I like to become one pop-off girl or a professional thief?
Okay, let's jump right into action. First question is from general knowledge, and this goes to Spalding's Primary since they won the coin toss. So your first question is general knowledge. Who is on the Jamaican $50 note?
We are on this one like Ninja Man now. This is Ninja Man.
No, dog, you don't know if you got it.
Alright, say I got it.
I got it!
Incorrect. Team Alberto, would you like to take a try?
Yeah, me know how.
Yeah, you that brother? He might look like Black Rhino.
Yeah, you get a bully button.
Alright, let's see.
Gully back!
Incorrect.
Me tell us you have Black Rhino.
You know gully back me feet.
Dog, come on from the move.
Next question. Jamaican knowledge. Who is Jamaica's Prime Minister?
Yo, Bajaj, and most honorable Donald Trump, you know, brother?
No, brother.
Mr. Donald.
No, Andrew.
We have to say, alright, say Andrew. You say never get you again, say Andrew.
Andrew.
Andrew, Mr. Friend said.
It is the most honorable bro god. Next question for Alberto. What is Jamaica's national dish?
Brother, I'm working on rice, my cookie every day.
Dumpling and butter.
Alright, you want to go see dumpling?
Dumpling and butter.
Incorrect. Ackee and saltfish. Next question. This question is for Spaldings. What is Jamaica's capital?
You watch out, we have to one.
Yo, no, say I found out.
Man, that dark push, man,
Brother,
cry
we can't tell us that.
Brother, I think me don't want to find somebody beat me. Yeah, me say no, no. Backward, Portmore, miss.
Incorrect. Alberto, would you like to try?
Yes, miss.
Wait.
A cave club.
Cave
club.
Jesus.
Incorrect. In the beginning, I thought this would be great. But I can't take this anymore. I'd quit.